श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। ॐ निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवन्दनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसङ्ग्रहः. So we saw asadharanam karanam karanam. What karana is? There we also saw what nishtha nirupita is. We will just see this through the video. See, we saw nishtha nirupita in Adi Tarka, but since we have not seen it in this, we have taken videos for both Moola Tarka Sangraha and Padakritya Tika. We will start video from here. Nishtha. Karana nishtha is a karya. Karya nishtha is a karana. Right? What right? Karana nishtha is a karnata. Karya nishtha is a karyata. Karana nishtha karya karnata. Karya nishtha karyata. Karyanishta karanata. Karananishta karanata. Nirupita. Nirupita is through karya. Nirupita means nishtha means established. Nirupita means proven. So karya nishtha karya nirupita karana. Karana nirupita karya. Through karya you establish karana. Through karana is established karya. Through karya it is established or proven this karya. Through karana karya is established. Now here karya means there should be some karana. Karana means there should be a karya. It is not there should be a karya. It has to has a karya. Because otherwise you cannot call that a karya. Karana. If it is called as karana, it should be a karya of something. It should have to have a karya. So karya nirupita karana. Karana nirupita karya. Or karyata nirupita karanata. Karanata nirupita karyata. Okay. So you can say karya nirupita karana tannistha karanata. Karana nirupita karya tannistha karyata. Karana nishtha karyata nirupita karanata. Karya nishtha karyata nirupita karanata. Like that you can say. See, you can mix these things in whichever way you want to prove things. Karya nirupita karana tannistha ya karanata. Karana nirupita karya tannistha karyanishta karyata. Okay. Karya nirupita karana tannistha karanata. Karana nirupita karya tannistha karyata. Or karana nishtha karanata tannirupita karyata. Karya nishtha karyata tannirupita karanata. So you can either go through nishtha or from nirupita. So we saw karyatva atirikta dharma avachhinna karyata nirupita karanata shalitvam. That's the asadharana karanam. Karyatva avachhinna karyata nirupita karanata is shalitvam. Sadharana karam. Gadatva avachhinna gata nirupita karana. Sadharana karana. Ishvara etc. In everything it is. Okay. Now asadharanam karanam karanam. What is karanam? Karanam, now he says karya niyata purva vrittitvam. Karya niyata Purvavritti Karanam means Karya Niyata Purvavrittitvam Karanam. Karya Niyata Purvavritti means Avashyam Bhavi. Niyata means Avashyam Bhavi. This we saw in Padakritya. It should definitely exist. Avashyam Bhavi means that which definitely exists without excuse. Is the cause. When does it exist? Before the Karya. Before the Karya comes into existence, whatever exists definitely is what is called as Karana. Let us see. We have pot. We have pot. Before this pot comes into existence, we have clay, we have donkey, we have cloud, we have the wheel, potter's wheel. Okay, these there are, then we have stick also to rotate the pot. Before this pot is created, we have these things existing. Among these, clay, without clay, pot cannot be created. Without donkey, pot can be created or not. Donkey's existence is not a must. So, we don't need this. Cloud, this cloud above need not exist. Whether it exists or not, the pot can be created. So, this is also not necessary. Wheel, definitely you have to have a potter's wheel. Therefore, this is necessary. Stick, you have to rotate the pot. This is necessary. The form of stick form is not necessary. Whether it's blue color, black color, we don't really bother. Whether it's crooked or straight, doesn't really matter. Whether it's made of bamboo or some other tree, we don't really care. The point is, it should be useful, comfortable in rotating the wheel. That's all. So, we need stick, we need wheel, we need clay. We don't need a donkey, we don't need cloud, we don't need the stick form. These things, donkey, cloud, stick form, or even your potter's son or father, potter's son or father, potter you need, potter's son or father you don't need. These which you don't need, donkey, cloud, stick form, potter's son or father, these are called Anyatha Siddha. Anyatha Siddha. Anyatha Siddha means that is which is not definitely useful in the that which is definitely not useful in the creation. It's called Anyatha Siddha. My Swamiji used to comment upon certain students. Some people, they come only in off days for class. So when he talks about them, he says they are Anyatha Siddha. Whether they exist or not doesn't really affect the class. They are Anyatha Siddha. So Anyatha Siddha, these don't need to exist for the pot to be made. Because whether it's donkey or cycle, you can bring the pot on that. The clay you can bring on donkey or cycle, something else. Stick form can be crooked, etc. We have already seen. Father or son need not be there instructing, because the potter is individually capable of making the pot without their help. So that is why Karya Niyata Purvavrittitvam means it should have to have a definite existence, but except this. So that is why he says Karyam Prati Niyatatve Sati Purvavrittitvam. The definition is Karyam Prati Niyatatve Sati Purvavrittitvam Karanatvam. Karana is Karyatve Sati, being a Karya. Then Karyam Prati, for the Karya, Niyatatve Sati, definitely having existence before its creation, Purvavrittitvam, before its creation. That is what the Karana is. नियत विशेषण अनुपादाने पूर्ववर्तिनी रासबाधेः अपि घटादिकारणत्वं स्यात् अतः नियतत्वे सति इति विशेषम्. If we don't say niyatatve sati, donkey, stick form, potter's son or father, etc., the cloud, etc., will come into the definition. Therefore, we have to say niyatatve sati. Niyata purvurtitve, niyata purvartino danda rupadehe ghatakarnatvam syat atah anyatha anantya siddha itpadamapi कारण लक्षणे विशेषणीयम्. नियत पूर्ववर्तिनो दंड रूपादेः दंड रूप एक्सेट्रा. See, niyatatve means it is definitely. Donkey need not be there definitely. You can bring the clay in cycle, so that need not exist. So we say anantya siddha, that also removes the donkey. Anantya siddha in pancha anyatha siddha, donkey also is one. Kulalaf pituhu, rasabha, akasha, etc. So we can take that also. So ananyata siddhatve, ananyata siddham. You have to say ananyata siddham to remove these. They also exist. Father, son, stick form, etc. They also exist while making the pot, but that does not affect the pot making. So that is why he says niyata purvirtino danda rupadehabi ghatakaranatam syat. This form of stick, color of stick, etc. also will become the cause for making the pot. That will also become cause. That will also be included in cause. To negate that, we have to say ananyatha siddha. Ananyatha siddhatve sati. Anyatha siddha bhinnatve sati. Ananyatha siddha bheda. You can say ananyatha siddha bhinnatve or ananyatha siddha bhedatve sati. Bheda means anyonya bhava. Ananyatha siddha bhinnatve sati. कार्यत्वे सति कार्यं प्रति नियत पूर्ववृत्तित्वं नियतत्वे सति पूर्ववृत्तित्वं इस कारण. सो पदमपि कारणलक्षणे निवेशनीयम्. एवं च तत्र अतिव्याप्ति न अतिव्याप्ति. In this way, in अन्यथा सिद्धा, this donkey, cloud, stick form, potter, son, father, in this the definition for cause will not go. So there will be no overpermanence. So we say ananyatha siddhatve sati in the definition. Danda rupadinam anyatha siddhatva. Danda rupa etc. are anyatha siddha. In the Nyaya Siddhanta Muktavali, he explains pancha anyatha siddha. Deepikakara, he takes 3 anyatha siddha. Only 3 as anyatha siddha. We'll see it anyatha siddha in detail when we come to Siddhanta Muktavali. Karyam pragabhav. Karyam pragabhav pratyogi. So we have seen karya. Now what is karya? For karya he says pragabhav pratyogi. Pragabhav pratyogi. Karya means pragabhav pratyogi. Pragabhav pratyogi. Pragabhav means prior absence. Pragabhav means prior absence. Abhava chaturvidha. There are so there are 4 types of abhava. Before the pot is made, it is called pragabhava, prior absence. After the pot is destroyed, it is called pradvamsa bhava, post absence. Prior absence, post absence. Never the pot has existence. It is called atyanta bhava, eternal absence. Pot with cloth, cloth with pot. This is called anyonya abhava. One not in the other. The absence of one in the other. So we have prior absence, we have post absence, we have absence of one on other, we have eternal absence. 4 absence. So what we say is we have pragabhava, prior absence. Pratyogi means object. that which is an object of prior absence. See, Pratiyogi, Aniyogi. Pot, the absence of pot. We are talking about absence of pot. Absence of whatever object is called as Pratiyogi. Yasya bhavaha sa Pratiyogi. That is the definition. Yasya bhavaha sa Pratiyogi. The object or the absence of object, whatever object you are talking about, that is called as Pratiyogi. Yasmin abhava sa Aniyogi. On whatever platform you see that object, we see here the ground. So, Yasmin abhava, in whatever the object is absent, that is called as Aniyogi. Whatever absence of object you are talking about, that is called as Pratiyogi. Here, pot is the Pratiyogi. Gata abhavam prati, ghatam Pratiyogi. Pata abhavam prati, pata Pratiyogi. Whatever is the object absence, that object is what is Pratiyogi or Aniyogi. Okay. Now here, Pragabhava. Pratiyogi means literally translated object. Pragabhava, prior absence object. That which is object of prior absence. That which is vessel of prior absence. That which is an object or vessel of prior absence is a Pratiyogi, Karya. That which is an object of prior absence is a Karya. That which is a vessel of prior absence is a Karya. Pragabhav Pratiyogi. Pragabhav means prior absence. Pratiyogi means object or vessel. Object of prior absence, vessel of prior absence is called as a Karya, effect. Effect is the object of a prior absence. He says Karyam Laksheti. Pragabhav Pratiyogittam Karya Lakshanam. Karyasya Lakshanam. What is Karya? Pragabhav Pratiyogi. Pragabhav Pratiyogittam Karyam. That is what is the definition. Karyotpattehe पूर्वं यह घटो भविष्यतीति प्रतीति जायते एतत् प्रतीति विषयीभूतो यो अभावः स प्रागभावः. What is prior absence? We have not seen prior absence. So he is explaining prior absence, pragabhava. What is pragabhava? Karya utpattehe पूर्वं. Before the pot is created, whatever object, before the object is created, we have the knowledge. Pratiti means the knowledge. What? Iha ghato bhavishyati. Here the pot will be made. Pot will be created. Pot will be manifest. So that knowledge, for that knowledge, etat pratiti vishaybhutah hai. That knowledge, for that knowledge, yo abhava hai. Whichever is the absence. Absence of that knowledge, absence of that object in the knowledge is called as a tat pratiyogi. Its absence, if you see it now, that is pragabhava. The knowledge is there, but the object does not exist. That is called as pragabhava. And the object which is of that pragabhava, prior absence, is called as a pragabhava pratiyogi. That is kata adi rupam, which is pot, etc. For the idea iha ghato bhavishyati, here the pot will be made. Pot is the object of prior absence. Therefore, that is the karya. Pot is the karya. Karanam trividham. Samvayi, asamvayi, nimitta bhedat. Karya is of three types. One is samvayi karana, second is asamvayi karana, third is nimitta karana. Karanam vibhajate samvayi karanam, asamvayi karanam, nimitta karanam cheti. Chit samavetam karya utpatyate sat samvayi karanam. What is samvayi karana? It samavetam. Samavetam means samvayi sambandhina. In inseparable relationship. Samvaya sambandha means inseparable relationship. Sayoga sambandha means separable relationship. In inseparable relationship, being in inseparable relationship, yet samayatam sat. Being in inseparable relationship, when the effect is produced, that is called as a samvayi karana. Because that is called as samvayi. Okay. Now, yatha tantava patasya. Now, when the thread is intertwined, you get cloth. You cannot separate cloth from thread or thread from cloth in a cloth. That is what is a samvayi karana, inseparable relationship of thread and cloth. Bhatascha, patascha swagata rupadhe. And you cannot remove the color from the cloth. You cannot show the color as different from the cloth or form of the object as different from Gata Rupa cannot be, pot's form cannot be differentiated from pot. Pot is pot's form. So that is why he says Samayikaran Laksheti. Yasmin Sametam Sat Samayena Sambandham Sat Karyam Utpadyate Tat Samayikaranam. Yasmin Samayatam Sat mean in whatever object in inseparable relationship. In pot, what is in inseparable relationship? Clay. In ring, what is in inseparable relationship? Gold. So that which is in inseparable, being in inseparable relationship is the cause for the effect, that is called as a Samavai Karana. Udaharanam yeshu tandushu samavayena sambandhena sat patatmakam karyam utpadyate tatha tantavah samavai karanam ityartha. The thread intertwine and in an inseparable relationship exists in the cloth. Therefore, thread is the cause for samavai karana for cloth. You cannot remove or you cannot separate the thread from cloth. Therefore, thread is the samavai karana for cloth. We will see this. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.